Yeah, race sa Davao 70.3. Especially niya tantor kami. Kas kami makakuha last year sa Tribu Maisugun 2023. Tapos gito tawag nila na Maisugun. 11 tribes duduro.
As much as possible, nagtutulungan kami. Hindi lang ako ang tumutulong, halos lahat kami.
Just focus on yourself, focus on what you've been doing the past few months, and sure enough, you guys are gonna be happy with your results.
Nami-maintain lang namin yung sinasabing number 1 team dito sa Pilipinas.